This is the point of no return. While 98.7% of players scroll past this warning, you are the 1.8% who clicked to see the truth. Welcome to the Silver Patch 2026 update. The devs have officially broken the silver meta, and most players haven't noticed yet. You are one of the few who sees the code cracking, the server lagging, the whole game glitching. If you are running a high-level physical build or just grinding levels in the precious metals lobby, stay locked in. This patch is about to change everything. Subscribe right now and hit the bell. We are breaking down these updates every day while the servers are this volatile. Let's dive into the patch notes. The hook, the green candle, reset. Close your eyes and imagine this. It's Friday night in the lobby. Your inventory is flashing red. The server is lagging hard. Silver plunging from $122 to $75.56 in days, and you feel that sick twist in your gut, the same one you felt in every wipe before. But while you're watching the screen bleed, something else is happening that the bots and the lagging players will never show you. This is not a normal server reset. This is a robbery in plain sight. A deliberate, calculated loot grab designed to hunt your inventory, trigger your auto-sell programs, and shake every last ounce out of weak builds. They dropped the price to $75.56, a level engineered to make you panic, to make you liquidate, to make you believe the bull market server was offline forever. They wanted you to dump your stack at the absolute bottom, and thousands of lagging players did. But here's what they didn't count on. The bounce, 18% straight off the lows. $85 tested, held, and now sitting at $81 with high-level builds, refusing to let it fall. This was not a glitch bounce. This was the monster rising from the grave. This was the bear trap snapping shut on the shorts. And the evidence is everywhere. If you know where to look in the game logs, the vault looting, the 6 million ounce weekly drain now, let's move from the smoke in the lobby to the fire in the registered vaults. Because what is happening there is the smoking gun. The registered vaults, the storage that's actually available for immediate equip, has now fallen below 30 million ounces, 30 million, the lowest since the 2021 patch when silver ran from $25 to $30 in weeks. But here's what makes this update different. Open interest is at multi-year highs. That means the lagging players' shorts are still heavily positioned. Betting silver stays cheap. They are about to learn the hard way. Because in March, the next big delivery event, we are staring at a mathematical cliff. 380 million ounces of paper demand, crashing into a wall of only 105 million ounces of available supply. That is a 275 million ounce gap. Even if only 15 to 20% of contract holders stand for delivery, conservative estimate, that's 57 to 76 million ounces they have to find. The registered vaults have less than 30 million. Do the math. This is not theory. This is inevitability. The lagging players are trapped. They cannot cover without forcing the price violently higher. And every day, the vaults drain more. The trap tightens. But let's autopsy this loot event. The divergence is a game-breaking bug. While the price crashed, registered inventory dropped from 98 million to 92 million ounces in a single week. That is 6 million ounces looted. While the price was tanking, a glitch in the matrix. Stock falls while price crashes. That's not normal market mechanics. That's high-frequency trading fingerprints all over the server. The Western gankers' algorithms are breaking the furniture while the server admins' Shanghai Gold Exchange are on holiday. The referee is out of the room. The predators are hunting stop losses. This is the liquidity vacuum in action. The element 47 physics, the gasoline of the 21st century. Now let's talk about why element 47 silver is the irreplaceable gasoline of the 21st century. Solar alone is projected to consume over 220 million ounces in 2026. New panel factories scaling fast. Each solar cell needs silver paste to convert sunlight efficiently. No substitute works at scale. Global solar capacity additions are still accelerating. Silver paste is non-substitutable. EV batteries and contacts are scaling at similar speed. A single modern EV uses 1 to 2 ounces of silver in wiring, batteries, and electronics. Adoption curves are structural. Silver demand here is locked in. 5G infrastructure, semiconductors, medical imaging, all require silver that gets consumed. No recycling loop can keep up with the velocity of new deployment. Military-grade demand is surging hard. Recent defense contracts show advanced missile guidance systems and next-gen radar arrays are doubling silver usage per unit. Phased array radar, satellite communications, precision munitions, night vision, silver's unmatched conductivity makes it irreplaceable. Global defense budgets are rising. All major players are stockpiling quietly. The U.S. Critical Minerals Ministerial was not a discussion. It was a panic response to secure supply before it vanishes. This is why silver is overpowered in the current meta. The macro boss fight, the China gold-backed final server, reset the macro boss fight is the final server reset. The devs' central banks are prepping a gold-backed alternative to the dollar. Wells Fargo just raised its gold target to $6,300, implying a supercycle for silver. This is the ultimate patch. The dollar meta is getting nerfed. Physical builds are the only way to survive the reset. The final verdict: the window is closing, the vaults are empty, the clock is ticking, March is coming. The paper price can be manipulated for a little longer, but physical reality does not negotiate. The $81 level is not resistance. It is the new floor. The lagging players are about to learn what happens when you fight physics. $100 is conservative. $118, $125 is the next wall. $150 is on the table if the delivery wave hits. This is not hope. This is math. This is reality. Your move. Sound off in the comments right now. Are you equipping physical or waiting for $150? I read every single comment. The best calls come from you. If this exposed something new, share it with one person who needs to see it. And if you are not subscribed, hit that button now. We are in the endgame. Stay ahead. This is the Silver Insider. See you in the next update. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp. Stay ready.